Hey guys! So everyone is complaining about toxic X's and bad Wi-Fi on Earth. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of cosmic hellholes that make Earth look like a 5-star resort. We are exploring spots based on actual sci-fi physics. To keep it real, I brought Kevin. Kevin has simulated flesh and blood. Let's go ruin his day. We are approaching our first target. The ship is starting to shake, so brace yourselves. It's about to get incredibly messy. First stop, Venus. A cosmic trash compactor. Scientists argue if those clouds hide alien bacteria, but for humans, death. The pressure out there is 90 times Earth's. It's like standing 1 kilometer underwater. Look at Kevin's body, it just crunched. He's a crushed soda can now. Plus, it's 460 degrees Celsius. Lead melts here, and the sulfuric acid rain is literally dissolving his fake skin. If you stepped out, you'd be a fried nugget before your brain could blink. So yeah, beautiful view, terrible real estate choice. Let's get out of here before our hull turns into Swiss cheese. Next planet. Next up, Mercury. It's so close to the sun, it literally has a tail like a comet. Seriously, solar winds blast snowdium atoms off its surface into a giant glowing tail. We are staying inside because out there, it's 430 degrees Celsius during the day and minus 180 at night. Extreme bipolar planet. Look at Kevin's outside. On the sunny side, the vacuum makes internal water flash boil, so Kevin swelled from steam pressure before thermal burns turned him into dry carbon charcoal. On the dark side, severe thermal shock from minus 190 instantly froze into brittle glass. Mercury is pure chaos, babes. 1 planet, 2 ways to die in seconds. Crazy thermodynamics, right? All right, melting next to a giant star is fun, but it's time to cool off. Pack your winter jackets, we are heading to a place with almost no air. Next stop, Mars. Okay, I actually managed to land on Mars. Brr! It's minus 60 degrees. Elon Musk wants to build cities here, right? But here is the catch. Mars has almost zero pressure. Because the pressure is below the Armstrong limit, the boiling point of liquids drops below human body temperature. The low pressure makes you swell up into. Watch Kevin! Look at his mouth! His saliva and tears are literally boiling and fizzing at room temp. His blood vessels are popping. You'd pass out in 15 seconds from lack of oxygen while your fluids turn into a warm Sprite and freeze. Wait, is that a dust storm coming? Great, Martian dust is electrostatic and sharp as glass. Time to bounce? We just hopped over to our moon. You think it's boring? Think again. I'm standing near a massive lunar pit. Recent data confirms these are entrances to giant underground lava tubes. Perfect for future human cities because they shield you from radiation. But look at the ground. Lunar dust is electrostatically charged by the sun, so it literally levitates, and it's razor-sharp volcanic glass. Plus, this dust contains ancient Earth oxygen from billions of years ago. You are looking at atoms breathed by dinosaurs. Wild, right? All right, walking on glass dust is checked. Let's move further out. Next stop, Ceres. Welcome to Ceres, the largest asteroid-turned-dwarf planet. Gravity here is only 1% of Earth's. I'm basically a superhero. But look at those glowing white spots behind me. NASA's Dawn probe discovered they are actually giant posits of pure carbonate salt from a hidden underground briny ocean. Ceres is basically a giant cosmic thermos. Forget about Mars, babes. Ceres is the real MVP. It looks like a boring gray rock, but it's actually a secret ice ocean planet. It literally has giant ice volcanoes that poop glowing cosmic salt. Plus, since it's packed with water, humans will use it as the ultimate rocket gas station. Space mining is coming. Get ready. It's only 3% here. I literally weigh 3 kilograms right now. If I push off the ground too hard, I'll launch myself 20 meters high and stay in the air for a whole minute. You have to use special boots just to avoid floating away into deep space forever, or not to jump. I'm tossing Kevin into the salty fog coming from an ice volcano crack. Because of the vacuum, the salty water instantly crystallizes on him, turning Kevin into a cosmic salt mummy in seconds. Gross, but beautiful. All right, salt mummy experiment is done. Time to head back to the ship because the next stop is a total monster. Get ready for the king of gas giants, Jupiter. Whoa! The ship's cameras are glitching because Jupiter's magnetic field is a literal radiation apocalypse. We are looking at the king of gas giants. Is there a solid core? Scientists are still fighting over it. If we drop Kevin, he sinks into the clouds. There is no surface. He just falls forever. The gravity is 2.5 times stronger, making him incredibly heavy. But deeper down, the insane pressure turns hydrogen into a burning ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen. Kevin gets flattened instantly. His atoms are now literally part of Jupiter's metallic soup. Moving on before my camera dies. Next time you think a thunderstorm on Earth is scary, remember Jupiter's metallic hydrogen ocean. Let's get out of here. Next stop, Europa. We are on Europa, Jupiter's ice moon. This is the holy grail for alien life. Under this 20-kilometer ice crust lies a global liquid ocean with more water than all of Earth. Scientists are literally fighting over whether alien life is swimming down there right now. Shh. The ice is moving because of Jupiter's gravity. I can feel the vibration. I'm literally ice skating on Europa. Gravity here is ridiculous weak, only 13%. One tiny hop blasts me 3 meters into the air. If I lose focus, slip, wipe out, and slide into a crack forever. Low gravity, high friction drama, right? On the surface, it's minus 170 Celsius and a total vacuum. Watch Kevin. Because it's so cold, his simulated rubber skin is instantly cracking like cheap, brittle plastic. This place is a beautiful nightmare. In seconds, the vacuum made Kevin's fluids flash boil, puffing him up into a giant balloon with a frozen foam beard. Then, the planet's crazy minus 16 cold instantly turned him into a solid ice block. But the real villain? Jupiter's radiation. It's so toxic it actually makes the ice in Kevin's body glow in the dark before destroying him. Space is gorgeous, but deadly, right? Beautiful view of Jupiter, but definitely the coldest skating rink in the universe. Let's move to another moon that literally feeds Saturn's rings. Next stop, Enceladus. Now we are at Enceladus, Saturn's moon. It reflects 99% of sunlight. It's the cleanest, whitest place ever. Look behind me! Giant cryogenic geysers are shooting water, methane, and organic molecules straight into space. Under this thick crust of ice, Enceladus hides a global ocean with a warm, cozy secret. Scientists found hydromoral vents at the dark bottom, exactly like Earth's deep sea vents where life first started. There's hot water, essential minerals, organic molecules, and plenty of chemical energy. It's the ultimate primary soup for alien biology. Microbes or weird deep sea creatures right under my boots in total darkness. I put Kevin near a geyser vent. The water vapors in the vacuum instantly freeze into supersonic ice needles, piercing his sensors like mic-escaping bullets. Supersonic ice bullets are no joke. Time to jump back to the ship. So, quick recap. Venus crushes you, Mars boiled your spit, Jupiter dissolves you, and Enceladus shoots you with ice needles. You have free oxygen, liquid water, and a working magnetic shield right where you are. Next time you want to complain about a rainy Monday on Earth, just remember this video. Smash that subscribe button and tell me in the comments which planet actually felt like the creepiest cosmic hellhole to you. Stay smart and see you in the next episode, guys. Bye!